Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So it's a beautiful Saturday morning today, and I have got a fashion show that I'm attending. This is the third fashion show in about 2 months. This is very unlike me to be out here, but I did say at the beginning of the year I was going to be out here, like putting myself out and just interacting with other creatives and designer in the fashion space, especially Manchester. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I have got my kids here with me. I mean, it's quite early. The moment I leave the house, they always notice I'm not there and they follow me like bodyguards. So I've got them here. Anyway, what I'm going to start doing is all this would need folding away. I have a customer from...
I need to come off. I need to come off.
This thing is mounted now. It's mounted. Okay, I'm gonna need to fold all of these guys away. Like, it's piling up. It's soon be my height. So I need to start folding them away. I would probably do that tomorrow. So I'll probably come on live. So tomorrow is a Sunday. So maybe like Sunday evening, I'll probably come on live and pack it and fold them away while I'm on live. That's what I'm thinking. So I'll see how it goes. I've never gone on live on a Sunday evening. I've done it in the afternoon, one of the times I was in the studio. So I think it would be nice to do a live on a Sunday evening. I'll see how it goes. But yeah, that's the plan. So yeah, what I want to start doing is I've got the names of the models. I've just checked all their sizes. So what I'm going to start doing is I'll write it down just so I have a mental note on what I'm doing. I'll write it down. I'll bring out all the outfits I want them to wear. I mean, we're supposed to be there in an hour's time, but I don't plan to be there that early because I don't want to be exhausted just sitting and doing nothing. If I do that, then I will be like not very myself. So the plan is to go there much later, like the latest time I can get there, which will be about 12, half 12, which I'm still thinking will not be that late for me because the show starts at 3. So there's still like, I can't go at 9 if the show starts at 3. It's just like the last one I went for. They did tell designers to come at 12, but the show was starting at 7. So I'm going to be sat there for 7 hours. No chance that was happening. I got there for 3 o'clock and I was still very early because nothing started till like 2 hours after. So I usually do not like going to just sit down and do nothing because then I'll feel really tired before the event actually starts. So the plan is I will go there just in time to do the model testing, like for them to test the outfits. I'm going with lots of pins as normal, accessories and everything else. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll just show you what I'm bringing out and everything else. Okay guys, so a bit of an update. I have managed to bring out everything. So I brought this out and then I went to go take my son for swimming Saturday activities. So that is sorted now. So I need to get back into the business of today. So what I'll need to do now is I'll move this to the side. I think all the things that needs ironing, I will get them ready to be ironed. For the models, I have got 6 female models and 2 male models. So these are the items for the male model and they match with the female one. So this person will go with this one. I'll just need to iron the bottom, even though it really doesn't need ironing. So this 2 would go together. This 2 would be together. This is it, the big size or the small size? So this is the small size. I'm just carrying this as a backup in case something doesn't fit. But this is a size 16. It's got the rope thing at the back, so if I need to like drag someone in, that should work. 3 would fit the remaining people. I'm thinking that the size 8 girl would wear this one. Finished ironing all the things I am going with. It's currently 20 past. So I've also carried the stuff I would use, you know, like when the designer comes on stage. I have carried what I'm going to wear. So this suitcase is sorted. And then this one that has got everything. Oh, I need to check for pins. So it's currently 24 past. So by the time it's 11:45, I should be out of here, because then give or take it take 45 minutes to get there. And yeah, 1:45, let's be out. Okay guys, so a bit of an update. I have gotten to the venue now. Is about 12:45. There was like so much traffic on the way, but I'm here now. That's what matters. I haven't done my makeup yet, but I managed to like slay my hair before I left. I just figured I can always do the makeup when I get there. So yeah, I'm all ready and set to go. I would show you what we get up to inside. I managed to carry my tripod. I think the only thing I forgot to carry today was my business cards. I always carry, but I didn't carry the bag I would usually carry, so that's why. Anyways, let's go inside because we're running behind time.
I saw Izzy's name, I saw my name, I saw Makaya, Steph, and other people.
So lastminute.com.
That girl, because she just fits this.
So what's your brand name?
Simply Soy Kuchot. Hi. She's worth this one. Her waist is small.
Brand name?
Toby.
Toby. Are you together? All right, okay. Like you both run the same brand?
Yeah.
Or you?
Are you Elizabeth Toby? Elizabeth. Yes. Then you're my designer. Okay. Sorry back then.
Are you a designer as well?
Yes.
What's your brand name?
MBW.
Okay. Are you a designer? What's your brand name?
Ifizzzcreations.
You almost look like you can remember the name.
Yeah, wait. That is a special expression. Like.
Say again?
I mean, crossing to something.
Ah, right, okay, that's okay.
Oh yes, her personality just came out.
Yeah, that's really good.
Because before it was, yeah.
I think it's better this way.
It's better this way. It's better this way.
To see it. Have you changed again?
So, man, I'll be calling you.
M.A.Dkollection.
Yes, that's fine. Jessica.
Yeah, but I think they booked a couple people in like.
Easy.
Yeah. Come on. Is that my phone?
No.
Let me come from my phone. Okay. Oh, David.
You must show designer so far. The other one's out of breath.
David. David.
Come on, content. Steph, content. Tandy, content. Easy. Content. Do something. You can just tell me. It's a video. Drama. Content.